Let's start. The project name is the clipboard. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have an edit text field, a button, and a text view. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the text input layout. Inside that, we have an edit text field. This is the copy data button. And this is the text view where we will show the copied data from the clipboard. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we get the clipboard manager service. When the button is clicked, we get the data from the edit text field. Then we put that data into the clipboard. And simultaneously show that data in the text view. If no data was typed in the text field, we show a toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can copy the data to the clipboard in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.